Hey, I'm just going to do a quick lesson on I'm Waiting for Her, or I've Been Waiting for Her by Mac Demarco. This is the verse. Of course. I've been waiting for her. Okay. So what we have for the verse is this is the E major 7. And then this is like a D major 7. But we're just playing mostly the top 3 strings, so I think of it as a D major 7. And then we go to F sharp minor 7, E. And I'm using a syncopated strumming where I keep my hand going and I just press down when I want to hear the note. This is the rhythm. Play that with one finger. And then the chorus is just A, E, B. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye-bye.